How to check Twitter ID. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your Twitter application, simply what you need to do is tap on your profile at the top left corner and select on your profile. As you tap on your profile, here you can see the option of your username and your name over here, but the email or rather the Twitter ID is not shown. It's basically the fixed Twitter ID or the ID that is given by Twitter that does not change with your username. So now here you cannot find your Twitter ID. So what you can simply do is go back and launch the Chrome browser or any browser for that matter on your device. And as you tap on any browser, you can simply tap on it and search for Twitter ID. So here you can see the Twitter ID finder and converter. You can simply tap on it and simply you can input a Twitter username or your name over here. I'm going to simply put username I have on my Twitter and simply select on convert. And as I tap on convert with proper connection, here you can see the Twitter ID. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.